Hi, my name's Koshal with Secure Guard Consulting, Iowa-based company. We do IT audit and consulting work for community banks, regional hospitals, internal, external vulnerability assessments, pen testing, social engineering, and IT general controls reviews. You can visit us on the web at www.secureguardconsulting.com. Today, I'm going to demo using Kali Linux and the social engineering toolkit, a website attack vector using a Java applet for the payload and attacking a Windows 7 machine that hasn't been upgraded to the latest version of Java. It's just a year behind on Java, and so we'll go ahead and start. You see here, open up my virtual machine, VMware. I'm running both Kali Linux and a Windows 7 machine. The first step, open up a terminal and launch the social engineering toolkit. I'm going to choose a social engineering attack vector, and from here we're going to choose a website attack vector. The next step is a Java Applet attack method. There's a number of different things that you can run, but we're going to run the Java Applet attack vector. And then we're going to do a web template. And so this is asking us if we have NAT or port forwarding. This is if we're running over the web. We're running it on VMware as if it's on the same network for demo purposes. And here we're going to type in our IP address. Type ifconfig in a new terminal window to get your IP address. Copy that over here. This is the IP that we are going to listen on. So once we launch the attack, and when they click on the link, this is our computer. We're going to use the applet that's built into the social engineering toolkit. You can make your own self-sign, but we're going to use the one for demo purposes that's built in. So here's where we choose which template we're going to use. We could have done a site cloning, but we use the template. We're going to use Google. So if you see all the different types of payloads that we want to generate, we're going to use a Windows Reverse TCP Meterpreter. That gives us really good full control of the attacked computer. And we're going to do a backdoor. So the port, I just go ahead and click return. That's the port on the attacked computer. And so that should be open. And if it's not, you keep experimenting until you find one that is open. There we go. So now at this point, we have a payload, starting the payload handler. So if we were to come out, again, to VMware and go to the Windows 7 machine, I'm going to open up Internet Explorer. And this is where we would have typically sent some type of email or something to trick the user into going to this link. So we would trick the user into going to this link. And what's interesting, if you're not running the latest version of Java and you haven't updated it, what comes up here, we don't even have to take any actions. It's going to automatically try to redirect us and take control of the computer. So you see, I'm just typing in and right there. So it automatically redirected us there, but at this point we have control of the computer. So I'm just going to take a screenshot from the attacking computer, but I'm going to type in my website address, secureguardconsulting.com. We'll go to the security assessments page, or better yet, we'll stay on the home page and we'll just scroll down like this. So we know what our screen looks like on the computer that just opened up the attack. We go over to our virtual machine. So we have all these different sessions that I've loaded. So let's see what sessions we have. We're going to interact with session 1. So you type sessions-I and 1. So at this point, we're going to take, if you look and see the different types of things that you can run, get system, webcam, key start, we're going to take a screenshot. Just taking a screenshot
I had a tree here. What happened to that?
just to show you that. Go here to Applications, Graphics, Image Viewer, Image Open. So you see right there, that's the screenshot that we had just taken. We can also shell in the computer, and so now we actually have everything there. We have that confidential.txt and the diagram.link that we had seen. Right, so if we move that down, oops, see confidential, we have all that data there. So we're going to do, just to do one more quick demonstration of what we can do, we're going to go ahead and start Notepad. We'll go ahead and start up command line prompt. And we go over here. So you see there's the command line prompt that we opened up. We started up Notepad, full control of the client's computer, or of the target computer. Again, this is SecureGuard Consulting, IT Audit Consulting, www.secureguardconsulting.com.